Ever wondered how to make the perfect spinach and artichoke dip? The kind that's creamy, cheesy, and packed with flavor? Well, wonder no more. Today, we're diving into the delicious world of this classic appetizer. First up, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. While your oven heats, let's start by creating our creamy base. Grab a large mixing bowl and combine a cup of softened cream cheese, half a cup of sour cream, a quarter cup of mayonnaise, a minced clove of garlic, half a teaspoon of salt, a quarter teaspoon of black pepper, and if you like a bit of heat, a sprinkle of crushed red pepper flakes. Mix these all together until you have a smooth and well-blended base. Now it's time to add in our star ingredients, artichokes and spinach. Stir in a can of drained and chopped artichoke hearts and a cup of cooked spinach. Make sure to squeeze out any excess water if you're using frozen spinach. Mix these in well, ensuring they're evenly distributed throughout your creamy base. Next, we're adding the cheese, because what's a dip without cheese, right? Add in a cup of grated Parmesan and half a cup of shredded mozzarella. Stir again until all the ingredients are nicely mixed. Once your mixture is ready, transfer it to a baking dish. An 8 by 8 inch square pan or a similar sized round dish works great. Sprinkle the remaining half cup of mozzarella on top, and for good measure, add a little extra Parmesan. Now into the oven it goes. Bake your dip for about 25 to 30 minutes, or until you see the cheese bubbling and turning slightly golden on top. If you want a more golden top, switch your oven to broil for the last 2 to 3 minutes of baking. Just keep a close eye on it to avoid burning. Once it's done, let it cool for a few minutes before serving. This dip is best served warm with tortilla chips, sliced baguette, or fresh veggies for dipping. And there you have it, the perfect spinach and artichoke dip. Creamy, savory, and utterly irresistible. Whether you're hosting a party, a family gathering, or just enjoying a cozy night in, this dip is sure to be a hit. So go ahead, give it a try, and enjoy every cheesy, flavorful bite. Please like and subscribe to Magnolia Moon for more great recipes.